So right now I'm gonna take some of our U10 dry scallops. I'm gonna season them up, get a nice sear on them. Season them with a nice little kosher salt, a little fresh pepper. Source all of our scallops dry from the East Coast. Source locally if we can. And basically what this is here, we take kimchi, which is a Korean pickled vegetable, and take a little flour and kind of make a little dumpling cake out of it. I love the idea of the flavors together. So scallops are naturally sweet. Kimchi is a little bit spicy, but it's also got a little vinegar to it. And then we finish it with a nice teriyaki reduction, which also adds a sweet element. And then we also garnish with a red chili thread, which also has a nice little spice to it. So you got a little bit of all the flavors combined together, and it really goes together great. So we should be pretty good there. And the key with this to get a nice sear on a scallop is once you put it in the hot pan, leave it alone, don't touch it. We should be ready here for our kimchi cake. So here at the Springs, I like to say we do a little bit of everything. We literally do anything from full service a la carte dining, which is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We also do banquets, weddings, corporate groups. We do full service catering, on premise, off premise. And we literally touch everything in the food service business. We also, on our a la carte menu, we try and do a upscale dining experience, but we also have something for everybody, which would be from kids menu, which is kid friendly, all the way up to fine dining 32-ounce tomahawk steak. So we literally do everything in between. We're starting to get that nice crust on the bottom there. That's when you know you're pretty close to cooking them over. We're going to give that a little time in the oven just because we're going to be cooking that a little quicker. But normally, you got to be very careful with scallops. You do not want to overcook them. So normally we would just go ahead and hit that with a little white wine and maybe set it off to the side and then reheat it before it went out the door. Alright, so now we're just going to deglaze with a little white wine. Like I said, just a minute and a half should be perfect. Take a little bit of our teriyaki. Nice thing about bok choy cooks very quick. It also has a very nice bite. The textures play very well with itself. It has that nice crisp bite, and then you have the soft, crisp texture of the scallop, and then you also have the texture of the cake. They all three go very well together. Put that a little more. Yeah, so for Pocono Restaurant Month, not only are we going to be doing this scallop dish, but we're also going to be doing a veal scallopini over angel hair pasta, and then we're also going to be doing the pomodoro pasta, which is going to be with campanelli pasta, and then a nice fresh pomodoro sauce, which is great for the springtime. Fresh tomatoes, garlic, fresh basil, a little fresh parmesan. Very, very well garnished with some Kalamata olives. Very nice. All right, so now we're going to start putting this together. We're going to go ahead and finish it with the teriyaki reduction and the red chili threads. Alright, so what we have here is our 32-ounce bone-in tomahawk steak. Basically, it's a bone-in ribeye steak. This is an Angus grade steak, very high grade steak. Eats very well, a lot of flavor. Nice dosing on both sides. Salt and pepper.